Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a shared album on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. Let's dive in. First, open Settings and use the search bar at the top to look for Photos. Tap on it and make sure the Shared Albums option is turned on. Next, head over to the Photos app. Scroll down to Shared Albums and tap the Create. Give your album a name and invite people by searching for the contact details and adding them. Once your album is ready, you can easily add photos and videos by tapping the Add button. Participants will also be able to view and contribute to the album. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.